So the first one I want to start with is small YouTuber support. Putting yourself and your channel out there without you even noticing, but trust me, that one helps. Hello, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Charlotte. So before I get into the video, I just want to say a big thank you for 1,000 subscribers. I can't actually believe it, I'm so shocked. So in today's video, I thought I'd do something a little bit different that is in line with hitting 1,000 subscribers, and that is how I got to 1,000 subscribers within under 3 months. I have a few tips and tricks on how you guys, or if anybody else out there who has a YouTube channel or is trying to grow their YouTube channel, some tips and tricks on how to get some more subscribers and get more traffic on your videos. So yeah, before the video starts, or before I start talking and don't stop talking, please like and subscribe, join the family, follow me on all my social medias which are linked below, and without any further ado, let's get into the video. I've written down on a little bit of paper all the ideas I have so I don't forget, because I don't want to miss anything out. So the first sort of tip I'm going to start off with is small YouTuber support. Now this is you and your channel supporting other YouTubers that also have like a smaller channel, especially if it's similar content to yours. So that would be liking their videos, leaving a lovely comment, subscribing, and just supporting their growth of their channel, and they'll in turn will support you back and watch your videos all the way through, and they will like and comment on all your videos too. So it's a two-way thing. You support them and they'll support you back, and that really has helped me a lot with my YouTube channel to gain subscribers just by supporting their channel, especially if it's similar content to yours. Then their subscribers will comment and so see your comment and maybe go to your channel, and if they enjoy your content they'll subscribe, and it's just sort of supporting each other like that, which is kind of nice because you make friends as well and you get to know each other. And yeah, I really like that one. And just let me know if you want me to support your channel, because I love finding new small channels to support and get support back. So yeah, I'm happy to support anybody. Just let me know, leave a comment, and I'll be sure to go and subscribe. Also, I just want to mention in regards to the small YouTuber support, please leave a comment down below if you're happy to support other channels, and yeah, just get in contact with each other, support each other, make friends, and that would really make me happy. Now the next tip I have is support. Social media promoting. So that could be like promoting your channel or promoting a new video of yours on social media. I like to use TikTok, Instagram and Twitter, and I'll leave all those in the description. I like to post about my YouTube channel on there and update my social medias when I have a new video, and that also helps if you already have existing followers on your social media accounts to notify them that you've got a YouTube channel and you're making content, and maybe they'll go over to YouTube and they'll enjoy your content there as well and they'll subscribe. Another thing I like to do that has helped me quite a lot in gaining subscribers is just asking people. So ask your friends, your family, even ask people that are new to follow you on Instagram or any social media, and just message them saying, hi, thank you for following. If you're interested, I have a YouTube channel, I make content over there, and maybe that'll prompt them to go and look at your YouTube channel had they not known. And that really helped me a lot, especially in going from sort of 10 subscribers to 500 subscribers. I used to ask people on TikTok, so anybody that would follow me, I would ask them kindly if they was interested, maybe they could check out my channel and even subscribe if they enjoy the content or if they like me. And if they say no, then that's fine, just brush it off. You'll find that a lot of people will actually say yes and will take the time to go and look at your content, or will even just subscribe right off the bat if you're being really nice and approach them in a nice way and not sort of push them and feel like it's forceful. Just don't force it on them, and I think you'll find that a lot of people will take the time to go and look at your channel and they will subscribe if you're being nice. After 500 I stopped asking people so much because I don't want all of a lot of my subscribers to be put in that position where I've asked them to subscribe. I'd like subscribers to subscribe because they like me and not just because I've asked them. When I was going from 10 to 500, that really helped me get out there and start building my channel, and then I stopped asking them and just relied on people subscribing because they enjoy me or they enjoy my content. but don't be afraid to ask people. Don't be afraid to put yourself out there, and if they say no, then they say no, and it's not really the end of the world if they don't want to subscribe, or if they don't like you, you just, okay, that's fine. Sorry, I've got a bit of a blocked nose. It's not what you think. It is not what you think. I've just got a bit of a cold. So another tip that I like to use, more so for views than subscribers, but the more views, the more likely someone is to subscribe. But anyway, yeah, it is choose your keywords carefully. When you're doing a title of a video, don't just throw everything in there. Pick something that's going to stand out, that it's going to grab somebody's attention, definitely. And that goes for your thumbnail as well. So if you're picking your keywords more accurately and something that's going to stand out, then when someone types it in on the search bar, you have a more chance of being on someone's recommended page. There's this little website that I like to use, and you just download it on Chrome, and it's called, what's it called? I think it's called TubeBuddy. I'll put it right here. And basically it helps you pick your keywords. So you type in your ideas for what you're going to title the video, and it helps you pick your keywords, and it tells you if it's fair or if it's sort of got a good chance of being on someone's recommended, or how good the traffic will be. Because obviously when someone types in sort of, I don't know, easy makeup tutorial, everyday makeup tutorial, then people that already have millions of subscribers and that are already very big here on YouTube will come up first. So this little tool just helps you minimize that chance of somebody that already has a lot of subscribers being up there first, and just helps you have a clearer idea of where your video will be positioned. Oh, I like this one. This is a good one. So this is a little bit sneaky. This is taking video ideas from somebody that's already really popular here on YouTube. So I like to use like Soph Does Life or Saffron Barker or Anastasia Kingsnorth, and look on their videos and change it from new upload to most popular upload, and then you can see what video was most popular of theirs and maybe recreate it. And now I did that for Soph Does, no, I can't remember who I did it for, but it was a fashion YouTube channel, and one of their most popular videos was how to style leather leggings. Now I went and recreated that video and took inspiration from that video, and now that video of mine has almost 1.2 thousand views. So that one really works. Take that tip, look at who has similar content to you and who has a lot of already has a big following, and take inspiration from their really popular videos and see if you can sort of recreate it, take inspiration, tweak it, and maybe, you know, the video that you recreate will do really well. Because it worked for me. Trust me, it worked for me. And if it can work for me, it can work for anybody. So in line with using and recreating popular videos, another thing that I've noticed that has helped me a lot is leaving comments on new uploads for people that already have a following. So I like to leave comments on like Saffron Barker's and Hannah Renee's, who's absolutely gorgeous, and Imagination. I like to leave nice comments related to them or their video, and often if you sort of scroll through the comments, you find similar channels to yours and similar channels to theirs, and I like to look through the comments and find other channels that are similar, reach out to them and ask if they want to support. But if it's sort of for people that don't have a channel and that are just watching that person because for them or their videos and that aren't a creator themselves, they can also find your channel that way if they're looking through the comments and your comment is there and they like the sound of your comment, or they like the look of your profile picture, then they might click on you and then they might really enjoy your content. So it's sort of like putting yourself out there secretly. So it's not like forcing yourself, because sometimes traffic can be driven that way even just by leaving a comment. And relating to that as well, you can always comment saying that you have a channel that's similar, or I do fashion videos, or I do makeup videos. I'd be really grateful if anyone could check out my channel. And then that also helps as well, and letting people know in the comments that you create content and that you have similar content, and maybe if they're bored and have nothing to do in self-isolation, they might check you out. So the last one that I have on my list, and I think this is quite a big one, not just for subscribers, but for gaining views and getting more comments and likes, is consistency. So I've been uploading now since January. It's like just under 3 months, around the 3 months, and I've uploaded once a week on a Friday, and I haven't missed a week. So for me, consistency is a big thing. So the more, not necessarily the more I upload in a week, but just keeping it consistent for new subscribers, and just keeping it consistent for existing subscribers. I don't know how to word this, but if you get somebody that's not subscribed comes over and visit your channel, I don't really know how to word this, but if they see that you're uploading sort of once a week and you're being consistent, then they'll subscribe and they'll look forward to you uploading another video, instead of seeing that you've uploaded 2 months ago and you was being really consistent up to that 2 months, and then now you don't have any videos after that 2 months. Then they're less likely to subscribe because they probably think that the channel's not active, or they think that there's not really much point in subscribing if they're not bringing out new content. So I think overall, to help your channel grow and to help subscribers and views and all that good stuff, is to stay consistent. And that's not forcing yourself to like make videos or to do so many videos in a week, but even if it's just one video a week, then new subscribers will see that you're uploading and see that you're just active. And that's something that, I mean, I know when I subscribe to a channel, that's something that I want to see, as well as watching all their old content. I like to see that they're uploading regularly, and then they're more likely to hit the bell and get a notification when you do subscribe. So if you got to this point in the video, hit the bell. I don't know where it is, it's probably like down there or something, but hit the bell, subscribe to me. But yeah, that's like a push to hit the bell. Ding! If you've reached the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Once again, thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers, because it really does mean so much to me and it helps my channel grow. And I look forward to the future and seeing how far my channel will actually go. I really enjoy making videos for you guys, and I love to reply to comments, so please leave a lovely comment in the please leave a lovely comment in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me, and subscribe, and I will see you next week, next Friday at 4 o'clock for another video. Bye! Shall I tell you something funny? I don't have my contact lenses in and I've not got my glasses on, so now I'm posing for a thumbnail and I can't see what I look like.